So today we're going to fit this all on this. So as you can see, the size comparison is almost, it's the same, but we have to use different mounts because Traxxas made a hole here to mount the motor. You don't have it here, so that's why we're going to use an M2C kit. We're going to tape this hole off. I had people telling me that there is a lot of sand coming in there because it's an open bearing, so we're gonna put a sticker on there. Yo, check it out. So as you can see, there's a lot of holes over here. You have different sizes of ESC, so you can put them on there. But first we're going to put some padding underneath there. You can see I did one layer. I'm going to do another layer to get more cushion. Screws came out perfectly. Mitch and Avery Looper did a perfect job on this one. Be sure you test everything before you mount. It's getting hard to get on the receiver box. You don't want tension on the cable from the ESC. So when you take about 10 centimeters from there until the ESC, the cable is still very nice and loose. And there's no tension on the ESC here whatsoever. The motor is on there, the mesh is set. I use these things and these, not those little tiny ones. No, they kind of round off fast and you only have to put a 2.5 millimeters in there. Now this is a 3 millimeters. You have more leverage, and I put one of these on this side and hex. I put a hex on top here and a hex on the bottom here, and another one over there, so they are divided with strength, if you know what I mean. So there's a small issue when you want to fit the rear bulkhead on the chassis. The screws don't line up perfectly. This you have to get rid of it with a Dremel or something like that. It's not much, you can see that's all it takes, and then the screws line up. So I made this thing. The motor is now aligned. First you set the mesh. When you set the mesh, you measure the height and everything, and then you have support when you jump. It's a fix from my part, so I know there are kits available. M2C has a kit.
Every minute with the fever dreams, I push the mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision, I don't need to see. I'm thinking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. When my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hates like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's you lost me. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python rap. What I like real fast, so until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause on my own I stand up here, only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.